Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Kamlim bringing you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Farmers from Malkan Road to get Rs 5,000 per family. Zenit Sangma accuses MDA for poor National Games performance. Markasa PHC functions without a doctor. And Meghalaya Police remember and honour policemen who died on duty. And now the news in detail. Minister for Agriculture Shri Bantedor Lingdo, in a meeting with farmers from his constituency, informed that the officers of his department have selected personnel to visit every household to collect their application forms for the Focus Plus scheme, which grants to each farming family Rs 5,000 as an incentive to enhance their family income.
Kilong susi bagi tu kilong yang long sem do menta kai ke baja kerja ka long ba menta le lawan ban shimti sundan da CBI kalau kita di jinja kita ke di jinja nanti yo kijab yang kum gini ki kai bro da jing sokya kum nong mikmat ngalum marmari kani bat pensha bat menta ki pajba kilasha bat ngit skam tangling ba jong tu volunteer si bagla tu ki fokus volunteer sa blok ki ba ko bat ini ki passbook lan ki epic serap semua ini ben ai ling baju ki lan dia beli ai po blok bat ko blok kan selek ko dum tam bat ka juga por rupat tang kito ki ba ladon na ki group na ki PG kin sayo ila to skin san ja handrai lan ki hapan form thmai ki PG ya kan ni ka focus plus menta lada umdon nak po ki group kim na ban evil ya kan ni ka jinyo jingrap ya kan ni ka grand ka bangi ong sana jatin ka dai na ta ka daw ngiyo Indonesia matas ni bat ke jingadon lang bagkiriw nang ba ki sodar sinong inong song kan long sisa ka jing mentor bat kan long ka jing ko na ka benta kinong song apo konstitusi ni ko.
Rangsakona MLA Zenit M. Sangma was present at the MLA Cup Grand Finale 2022 at Nokatgre, Rangsakona, West Garo Hills, along with other Meghalaya TMC leaders. In light of Meghalaya's drastic failure at the National Games 2022, he said, "During my tenure as Sports Minister, we brought in policies like District Sports Promotion Society with a yearly budget allocation of Rs 5 crores. It was allocated to build sports facilities like District Sports Club, Instructors Clubs and many others. However, the scheme was unfortunately discontinued post-2018. After congratulating the players of the participating teams as the chief guest of the event, Zenit M. Sangma commented, "Given a mandate, we will do our best to create opportunities for our sports-loving people by bringing in the best sports policy for our youth, which appears to be lacking these days." Garubadha Football Club won the MLA Cup 2022. A cultural program was also arranged to lift the spirits of the audience for the occasion.
Memory ko refresh kanagata aganataya ya footballan mandare namnak patkapa aru ya khode sakan chian involve ponge antang tang ni dambe ni somoirangode khalgaparang bangen dongan gapau mission football ko abachingata ha mission football ko abachingata ni ortho dewan dalo dalgaman khalengpa piliarang ko bisoni khalani ko niesa yan nakapa number ko wangapa de changa yan nakapa number ko wangapa de shoot kana nama yade defense na nama yade striker na nama nimna base ya ko kholami ranga ode bangisa salni gisepon retirement stage na sokaya namgapa chol khot nagata nambatta gadangni training rang ko ne namgapa footballer rang ko produce kana bloinenga unigaman bilsi to ko ngaunin bisa chonaunin.
For the last 2 weeks, the Rural Primary Health Centre PHC at Markasa and West Khasi Hills was functioning without a medical doctor. Leaders of Neothrap Youth Council HYC met the District Medical and Health Officer DMHO at Nongstoin headquarter and informed him of the problems and difficulties faced by the people of the area in the absence of a doctor. Since the transfer of the medical doctor, the doctor who replaced him has not joined duty till now. The office of the DMHO had informed the leaders of HYC that all the information regarding problems faced by the people in Markasa area have been sent to the Director of Health Services in Shillong. The HYC has also urged the local MLA, Shri Bolding Nongset, who is also a minister in the MDA government, to look into the matter and help the people of the area.
Di hari mata kasi kat kandai tarik iwan ya kapan ya kendo sindon ya di district medical and health officer jong ke West Kazil iba dang in charge menta hak bere bar kedai ka markas PHC ban pensengau lor kene kejing jong kedai ka PHC te hak jing karan ke jongi kum kinoilam jong ka seng bat I klidu jong ka department jong ka kya na kaliang jong I long ba election kya ya kene kam bat menta kene kam kali ya sikman bat na kaliang ke jong I kum inoilam jong ka o kum I klidu jong kene ka department jong ka kya jong ka district ki bar koi kila forward ro ya kene ka kam sate sa director hante Shillong na ka benta ban le ban kam te na kaliang jong I kum ka seng ni kermen ba ka jisim kya jong ka district medical and health officer let's say kan wanra bat kan wan no sindon ya kijing jong ki pajba ki jong ni hangte markasa ha ka ba nidan tang kate ka markasa PSC hi ka ba ai jing sekri ya shibun tali kisnong bat ki pajba ki babun ba ki sanya na ka ka jakai semar.
The brave men who gave their lives in the line of duty were honoured by the 2nd Meghalaya Police Battalion stationed at Joragre, 12 kilometers from Tura on October 19. At 6 a.m., a marathon run was organised amongst the youth of nearby villages and prizes with certificates were given to the winners. Present on the occasion were Deputy Inspector General, Western Range, Subha CVS Reddy, IPS, and the Commandant, 2nd Meghalaya Police Battalion, Bruno A. Sangma, MPS, senior officers and police personnel of all ranks.
Second Battalion Megan Police Tiketa, and they came Dali program Ragapan Giseba Shini Abat Kaba, DIG Server Iba, Achini Jafra Songinga, Western DIG Western Race, Sarsopa, had a Kadapan Sahara, Anthony Manina, Arun Baksana, Sini Commandant Sabatuma, the above login, Ya program coach, Susokata, Epic Susot of Login, Bulkone Kamkaha, High Sir, Anthony Commandant Sanaba, me, the Padapata. Dali in the game watching kata first second third na doon watching prize mo di ba dal relative daw sarmang nigger game consolation prize pa match lang na doon na ha awang ba khusni kata hai dapat ako na hai wana ma extra wana na mo di game daw ha dike actually second battalion Meghalaya police ni commandant sir Bruno sir ko ditak sa ya stage ko pamate dali ya manya ne khubsa ko dagan thachi na ni ma bikum namaskar.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.